Hello everyone, welcome to week 4 deep dive where we're going to go ahead and just go over a couple of things. So to begin with, if you still have work to do for your game, if there's a couple lessons you weren't able to get to or finish or stuff that you still need to tweak, you can go ahead and take some time to do that. If you're completely done and are happy with your game, it's always good to still play it, test it out, make sure that everything is working the way that it should, and that your game is working so that when you share it, everything is fine. Other than that, what a playtest does, it allows people to play each other's games. It allows us to see if there's any issues that we need to fix, have constructive criticism, talk a little bit about our process, and basically just share out what we've been working on over the month of April. So this is always good and fun and a nice little break to take before we go ahead and start with the new game that we're going to be working on for the month of May. So in order to share out your game, what you're going to go ahead and do is inside of your Scratch, you're going to go ahead and click on the share button. Now, if you do not see this button, it might be for a couple of reasons. If this is blue, that means it's been shared, so you don't need to do this part because you've already shared your game. If you don't see this, that means that you're not logged in or you have not accepted the email that Scratch has sent. So it's always good to go back to the email that you created the profile with just to search up Scratch in the search bar that it has on your email, and then you should be able to click on the email that Scratch has sent for you to verify and then be able to share your work. Now, if you're not able to, it's not the end of the world. You can always just go ahead and show it through Zoom, so at least you're able to share what you do have. And for those of you who are able to share, you can go ahead and use the link and put it on the Zoom chat so other students can play it. You can also share it with any family members, friends. The nice thing about this is that they don't even need a Scratch account. As long as they have the link, they can go ahead and click on it and play. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to click on share. And once you've shared the video, it's always nice to add any instructions if you guys were not able to add an info button for your game. And then if you want to add any credits or notes, you can add that too. That way, just in case you have not been able to explain it, at least everyone understands how to play your game because you wrote out the instructions. Once you're done doing all of that, you can go ahead and click on copy link, and then you can go ahead and post it. Once you're posting it, you guys can go ahead and play around with it. And if afterwards, once you're done sharing out in class and you're done, if you do not want to have your game posted anymore, you can go ahead and go into your My Stuff. This is where you'll see your game, which should be the very first thing that you have since we started working on it towards class. So you can go ahead and click on unshare, and then you can stop sharing it if you want to go ahead and add a couple more changes and update it before you go ahead and share it again. Other than that, you guys are all set and look forward to the new game for May.